Welcome to this mini course or section about HTML. So HTML is the basic language for web pages, which means hypertext markup language. So markup, these are the markups. Okay, so it's a language where the structure is organized in a hierarchical way and where the blocks of the hierarchy are defined by markups, these ones. Okay, this language was created at the end of the 1991 and has been used to create web pages. Now in this course we're going to use one tool with the name Notepad++, and I'm gonna find it here. I already installed it. Okay, here we are. Okay, and I'm going to create here a new page. I'm gonna paste a piece of code here like that. I'm gonna save it as hypertext here like that, and I'm gonna save it in my directory like html underscore basic.html. okay, and you see that this is great of Notepad++ is that it's going to recognize the structure, okay, of an HTML file. As you can see here, I can really do it. So here we have the doc type, so that this tag is single tag, which says to me which kind of document I have, and is an HTML document, doc type. I can have also XML type, for example. And between the tag HTML, we have all our HTML file. This is exactly what we have. And here we have some parts. Usually an HTML file is divided in two parts. The first part is the head, where there are basic information. There is basic information like the title and something else that we will see later. And the body, where we have exactly our document. Okay, we can also have footer in the HTML5 version. We also have the footer object if you want to put something separate in the footer. Okay, I can also execute this. I'm going to check. Okay, this file, I have support files. I have it HTML basic here. This is a heading. Document content goes here. Okay, here this is a heading. Okay, you see here h1, it's heading. Okay, and then we have a paragraph p. Document content is here, and then this is document title. Here is the title of the document. So this is a basic HTML document. Okay,